Hi, I'll show you how to add a new row. So in the monthly expenses, if you go to the last one here, just go in the white one, you can type any name, so new expenses, and then you'll see that a new line has been added. So you can just add whatever you need in here, and then you put the category, and that's it. And then once you start adding numbers, then the average will be calculated. So once you add this, you just go to data, refresh and refresh all, and you will see here, and now it's under other, but if there is something else you can see there, and that's it. So that's quite easy to add. I've changed the currency here in dollars, and that's it. So yeah, if you want to try, I'll add 10 more and I put under other, and then you can just type here the name if you want, or just add a new one if you need it. Okay, let me know if you need anything else. Thanks, bye.